Hi, I'm Mike with Autel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to clone a key using the Maxi IM KM100 key tool. If you're ready, let's go. If you're using a smart key for this process, you will need to take it apart later on. I'll guide you through this step by step. First, tap Reading Cloning on the key tool. Then tap Clone. Next, tap 46 Password Calculation at the top. On this page, place your key in the key slot at the top. Press Start to recognize the key. Next, we need to take it apart so that the key battery doesn't interfere with this process. Next, with the other key component, head into the vehicle. You need to read the key's password for this step. Place the key next to the start button with the key tool's transponder end right behind it. You may need to press the start button 2 or 3 times for it to successfully read the password. Once you reach this stage, it may take up to 3 minutes for the password to be calculated. Take a picture of the password once it appears, as you will need it if you are performing simulation. That process will be shown in our next video. I'm Mike, and I hope this helps demonstrate how to clone a key using the new Maxi IM KM100 key tool. If you have any questions, please contact Autel support, and be sure to check out more of our key tool videos on our Autel YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.